All right, good morning, everybody. So today we are installing a Kozy Heat Calloway 50 see-through. I'm down here at Smith Mountain Lake, Bridgewater Grand. Just gonna get the cool wall system. We came here 2 days ago. We were able to drop everything off. We were supposed to do the install 2 days ago, but they had framed everything in 2x6 framing, and it wasn't going to give us enough clearance to combustibles for our vent pipe. So they had to do some reframing, and we're still going to have to do a little retrofit to make sure we get all of our clearances, but I think we're going to be good. So I'm going to get this thing set up, and we got some roof work to do. It's a steep pitch roof. I think it's a 10-12 pitched roof. So I'll show you what we are facing out here. We're gonna have safety gear and harnesses and all, and we said we'll get this fireplace installed today, and I'll get it set up. We'll do a time lapse on it, and y'all check it out. This is what we love to do. For all y'all people at the lake, this rain is beneficial. It's a rainy morning, but see how low that lake is.